Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how I make the best bacon wrapped asparagus. We're going to cook them in our trusty air fryer that I love so much. And in my recipe on the blog, I also give instructions to cook them in the oven. And they are super delicious. The asparagus do not get overcooked. And you can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for bacon wrapped asparagus. So to get started with our bacon wrapped asparagus, we want to cut off these thick woody ends. And for bacon wrapped asparagus, you want to make sure and get asparagus that is a little thicker than, you don't want the little thin asparagus, because once you wrap it in bacon and cook it, that stuff is going to be super overcooked, and overcooked asparagus is just not good. So I'm going to cut off the ends of these woody ends with a sharp knife. Set those aside and cut off these ends. And I'm just kind of estimating where the ends, you just want to make sure and get, these ends are really fibrous and hard to chew. So you just want to get rid of that. Okay, now that we've cut all of the woody ends off of the asparagus, we're going to douse them with a little bit of avocado oil. And then I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt. I know bacon is salty, but you've got to season the asparagus as well if you want to have delicious asparagus. So we're just gonna get that all coated and rubbed together like that. Okay, and now we can set these aside while we get our bacon ready. Okay, here's our bacon that we're gonna wrap around the asparagus, and what we're gonna do is cut them in half lengthwise with a sharp knife. Just like so. And you want to make sure and get a thin bacon, so whenever it goes, it doesn't take forever to cook, because if you get a thicker bacon, and then it's going to be overcooked asparagus with crispy bacon. So to wrap these, we have our asparagus here. I'm starting at the top, and I just kind of wrap at a diagonal, what the heck was that? I just wrap these at a diagonal like this. And it's okay if they overlap a little bit, because the bacon's going to shrink. And there's one piece of bacon wrapped asparagus. I'm going to just set this in the air fryer. Okay, only about 20 more to go. Okay, we got about half of our asparagus wrapped up and into the air fryer. And now I'm going to cook it at 400 degrees for about, I'm going to check it after 10 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, our asparagus are all ready. Look at that. They look so good. The bacon is nice and crispy. Here's our asparagus all ready. Put some on a plate. Now we can cut a piece off. And get a bite. That is good. That's the only way to eat asparagus, if you ask me. So you can find this recipe on my blog, jenniferbands.com. You can go and search for bacon wrapped asparagus, and you'll find instructions for the air fryer or for the oven. And I hope you like this recipe. The link is also in the description below. Comment down below and let me know how you like it. And I will see you guys later. Bye.